Hi all. So in the part 1 of this chapter, we have discussed about what is psychology, definitions of psychology from other psychologists, labs of psychology, brain imaging techniques, educational psychology and methods of psychology. In this video, we will learn about schools of psychology and forces of psychology. Schools of psychology or schools of thought. It is the different set of approaches and beliefs used by different psychologists to study psychology. They are structuralism, functionalism, psychoanalysis, behaviorism, gestalt psychology, cognitive psychology, humanism, constructivism, and Wordsworth's thought. Structuralism, it is self-observation method, also known as introspection method, which is oldest method. Father of structuralism is Wilhelm Wundt. It was named by E.B. Titchener. Wilhelm Wundt, if you can recall from the methods of psychology, so he propounded experiment methods of psychology. अब you have to comment in the video कि E.B. टिचनर किस methods of psychology को propound किए थे. Functionalism, it focused on कि मन, that is mind, कैसे functions करता है to help human adapt to their environment. Psychologists suggest करते हैं कि psychology functions या purpose of consciousness, that is awareness of self and the world around you. इस पे फोकस करें. This school of thought was given by William James, who is also known as father of modern psychology, and he wrote the book The Principles of Psychology. If you have any doubt regarding this lecture, please comment. Psychoanalysis. It was given by Sigmund Freud. It focused on the influence of the unconscious mind on behavior. That is, your early childhood experiences that shapes on who you are today. That is called psychodynamics. Human mind is composed of three elements: id, ego, superego. That is instinct, reality and morality. Four terms that are used in this thought are Oedipus complex, that is boy's attraction towards his mother; Electra complex, girl's attraction towards her father; Eros, life instinct; Thanatos, death instinct. Behaviorism. Behaviorists believe that they cannot see the mind but can see how people act, react and behave. इनके अकॉर्डिंग एक इंडिविजुअल के बिहेवियर को शेप या इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए इन्वायरमेंट एक मेजर रोल प्ले करता है. They ignored structuralism, functionalism and focused on observable and measurable behavior. Observable behavior. It is an overt behavior that can be seen. Examples: smiling, walking, typing, yelling, etc. Measurable behavior. For example, it took you 15 minutes to solve 2 pages of maths problem. So that 15 minutes for any activities that you were doing is called measurable behavior. Conditioning is give me a dozen healthy infants and I can make them whatever. Example: policeman, thief, etc. Gestalt psychology. It focuses on perception, that is how things get into mind. Example: creativity, thinking. They believe the quote Aristotle said, "The whole is greater than sum of its parts." For example, considering a human body, your eyes, heart, lungs and brain are complex organs, but they are just isolated biological parts. The whole is a living, conscious human being. This school of thought was given by Max Wertheimer, who is also known as father of Gestalt psychology, and also followed by Kohler, Kafka and Kurt Lewin. Cognitive psychology. It studies mental process and involves thinking, problem solving, skills, reasoning and memory. In 1960s, Miller and Jerome Bruner established the Center for Cognition. They believed that thought cannot be a behavior. Humanism. It focused on individual free will, personal growth, and self actualization, that is, knowing about self. People living happier and more fulfilling lives and helping people believe and fulfill their inner potential. Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow gave this school of thought. Carl Rogers, also known as father of humanism, wrote the book Theory of Self. Spiritual father Abraham Maslow wrote the book Needs Theory. Constructivism. This school of thought was given by Piaget and Vygotsky. According to Jean Piaget, child has the ability to construct their own knowledge. So what is constructing of knowledge? It is an interactive way of learning जहाँ students engaging होते हैं. They ask questions and share their views rather than सिर्फ teachers को सुनते रहना. They are active learners. Wordsworth thought. It focused on soul, mind, consciousness, and behavior. According to his thought, first psychology lost its soul, then it lost its mind, then lost its consciousness. It still has behavior of a sort. Forces of psychology, or in simpler words, thoughts that evolved psychology. They are behaviorism, psychoanalysis, and humanism. This is the end of this unit. Thank you so much for watching till end.